Baby, when you're ready, I'm gonna run to your love. I'm gonna run to your love. Baby, when you're ready, I'm gonna run to your love. I'm gonna run to your love. Right now, you're not ready for me, but when you are, just call me. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run to you. Yes, I am. I'm gonna run to your love.
I'm going straight in on her brows, filling them in with a dark brown pencil. And this is just a Color Mates pencil from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. So Pure Beige is for my light skin tone girls. And I'm just going to take this and sculpt around her brows just to make them more neat and crisp. I ordered this palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this one palette on her eyes today. So to be completely honest with you, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in a number 330, but this foundation is a little bit too light for her skin because she has a little bit of a tan left. But I was able to balance it out and make it work to where it came out perfectly. So if you're interested in how I did it, just keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm putting it on the back of my hand just to get it warmed up, then I apply it to her face. So once this is all blended, I go in with the Sacha Buttercup to set her face. And I'm making sure that I apply this in all the areas where we did highlight. Y'all know I always contour with my favorite palette in the whole wide world, which is by Black Radiant. And this is the medium to dark palette. But y'all, I really love it. I love how the contour looks very rich. That's how I was able to bronze her face back up and make the foundation look more of her match. But these colors are so rich. I love these browns. Most browns are gray. I mean, most contour shades, they are like gray or just like an ugly brown. But I must say that the tones in this palette is very pretty and the pigment is very rich. That's why I love to contour. So once I applied it harsh, which I did it on purpose, I just took a brush, a clean brush, and I blended everything out so it really bronzed her face up. Just keep watching so you'll see. I'm highlighting with the crayon case, and this is in the shade and glow. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up because that really does help my channel. And if you aren't subscribed already, please make sure you do so for updates. Let me know what you want to see next. Thank y'all so much for watching. Mwah.